Hello, my name is Mohammed and today I'm going to discuss a very important topic which is called BODMAS. BODMAS means order of operation. When you're going to solve any question which gives you different types of operator together like times, divisions, order of powers, fractions, percentage or brackets, okay? So how to solve that question? So first let me take an example. 2 plus 4 times 2, 2 plus 4 times 2. Okay, let me solve this one. 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6 times 2 is 12. And the second question, okay, the same question I'm going to solve first times. So 4 times 2 is 8 and 8 plus 2 is 10. The question is that which one is the right, okay? But the BODMAS says, okay, as per the rule of operation, so what? First we need to do brackets. Is there any brackets there? No. So order of power, fractions, percentage, there is no. So it means there is only times and addition. So first we need to do multiplications, okay, and then you go for addition on subtractions. So in this question what I did, okay, 2 plus 4 addition first, okay, which is wrong, okay. So this question is solved wrong because I did first addition, which is 2 plus 4 is 6, and times by 2, which is 12, which is wrong. And in the second example, if you look at there, what I did first, okay, first I did 4 times 2 is 8 and 8 plus 2 is 10. So if you go for the BODMAS, it says first you need to do times, multiplication, and then you need to do add. So what I did, 4 times 2 is 8 and then plus 2, which is 10. So this answer is right. So as per the BODMAS, okay, we need to take a couple of more examples, okay. So the first example I'm going to take so first example is 1 whole number 5 plus 5 over 2 times 150 divided by power of 5, okay, square. So as per the BODMAS says, okay, bracket, is there any bracket there? Okay, there is no bracket in this question. Go for order of power, okay. So there is a power of 5 which is 2. So first I need to solve this one. So what I'm going to do it, same, 1 whole number 5 plus 5 over 2 times 150. The power of 5 times 5 is 25, okay. And then it says what? Division or multiplication, yeah. So it says divide and then times. So what? 1, 5 plus 5 over 2 then times 150. If I do divide sign to convert times, it will be 1 over 25. So I need to simplify 25 times 1, 25 times 6. So it means 1 whole number 5 plus 5 over 2 times by 6. So 6 times 1 is 6. So 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 3 is 6. And so it means 5 times 3 is 15. So the answer will be 1, 5, 15 over 1. Now 5 times 1 is 5 and 6 over 5 plus 15 over 1. So now what I'm doing, 5 times 1, 5, 5 times 5, okay. So you know the fractions, we need to make the same denominator. So 6 over 5 plus 75 over 5. So the answer will be 75 plus 6, which is 81 divided by 5. So if you divide by 81 times 5, so 5 times 1 is 5, remainder is 3, and then 5 times 6 is 30, and the remainder is 1. So it means your final answer is 16 whole number 1 over 5. So how did I solve this question? Okay, simply first I did as per the BODMAS. First I solved the power, which is become 25, and then I simplify, flip this 125 by 1 over 25, and 25 times 1 is 6, which is 150, and what 2 cancel with this 6, 2 times 3 is 6, and 5 times 3 is 15, 15 over 1, and you simplify as a fraction. So this is the final answer for the example number 1. Now I'm moving for example number 2. So as per the example number 2, it says what? It says 10 whole number 1 over 2, and then big bracket 4 1 over 2 plus small bracket 5 minus 1 over 2 small bracket, and then close the large bracket. As per the BODMAS, okay, it says you need to solve first bracket, but there are 3 types of brackets. One is the small brackets, second one is the curly brackets, and the third one is the big brackets. Okay, so what I'm going to solve first, the small bracket. So as per this question, 10 over 2 large bracket 4 1 over 2, and then I'm going to solve this one. Okay, so 5 over 1 minus 1 over 2. So what I'm doing, 2 times 2, 2 times 2, okay, and now is 2, 5 times 2, 10, 10 minus 1, so it means this bracket answer is 9 over 2. So now I'm going to solve this one. What? 4 times 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, so 9 over 2 plus 9 over 2. So it means the answer for this bracket is 2 over 18. And now look at this one, okay? So minus 10 times 2 is 20, and 21 over 2. So the answer will be 21 take away 18, which is 3 over 2. So 2 times 1 is 2, and the remainder is 1. So this is your final answer for 1 whole number 1 over 2 for the second example. What I did, okay, so first I just solved the small bracket, which is 5 minus 1 over 2, and then I simplify, okay, and you get the answer 9 over 2. And then 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1, 9, 9 over 2. So 9 plus 9 over 2, and to get the answer 2 for the denominator, 18 over 2. So I simplify 21 over 2 minus 18 over 2, which is 3 over 2, and the final answer in a proper fractions, okay, 1 whole number 1 over 2. Now I'm going to move the third example. In the third example says, okay, so as per the third example, it says 20% of 50% of 500 minus 10% of 1000. So 20% of 50% of 500 minus 10% of 1000. So in this question, if you look at there the sign of minus, we are going to split into two portions. So first I'm going to solve 10% of 1000, which is 1000 times 10 over 100. So this 20 cancel with this 20. So it means your answer is coming 10% of 1000, which is minus 100. And now I'm going to solve this one. So 20 times 50 times 500. So what I'm doing, this 100 cancel with this 100 and this 20 cancel with this 20. So 2 times 5 is 10 and 10 times 5 is 50. So it means, so 50 minus 100, so it means your answer is minus 50. So this is your third example. Now I'm going to move for the exam paper. So exam paper for CSSE 2015 and the question number 6. Question number 6 is says complete the following statement using complete the following statement using the sign less than, equal to, or greater than. So this is the question, came in CSSE 2015, question number 6. Okay, complete the following statement using less than, equal to, or greater than. And the question number A, it says what? It says 7 times 5 bracket minus 4 and then box, and 7 times 5 minus 4. So this is the question, okay? We need to find out whether this statement is equal each other, greater than each other, or less than. So what I'm going to solve, okay? 7 times 5 is 35, and 35 minus 4, which is 31, and I'm going to solve this one. 5 take away 4 is 1. So it means the answer will be what? So 31 is greater than 7. So your sign will be greater than A. And now is question number B. Okay, it says 4 plus 7 times 5 and then box, which is you need to sign 4 plus 7 times 5. Okay, so what, as per the operation, what we are going to do, first we need to do times. 7 times 5 is 35, and 35 plus 4, which is 39, and 7 times 5 is 35, and 35 plus 4 is 39. So it means 39 equal to 39. So the answer will be equal each other. So, and the part C is says 4 times 5 and plus 7 and then box, and 5 plus 4 times 7 minus 4. So first I need to solve times and then addition. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 7, which is 27. And same as here. First we need to solve bracket. 5 plus 4 is 9. And then 7 minus 4, which is 3. So it means the answer is 27. So 27 equal to 27. So this is your C part for the question number 6. So very simple, okay? As per the operation, you need to use first bracket, okay? Then you use any power of fractions or percentage. Division, multiplication is coming together. Use from left to right. Addition and subtraction, if they're coming together, use left to right. Okay, as per the question, we solve it and find out the which signs are equal, which are greater, and which are less than. So now I'm quickly moving to solve one of more paper which came in 2017. Yeah, so very simple and very easy question for BODMAS. So this is for CSSE paper 2017, question number 3. Okay, and this is basically 2019, question number 3. Okay, so it says 31 times 76 minus 59. Okay, so what you do, 76 take away 59. This is part A. 76 take away 59. Okay, so which is 17? 17 times 31. Okay, which is, I'm going to break like that. Okay, so 30 plus 1, if you times by 17, yeah. So 17 times 3 is 51. 0 plus 17 times 1 is 17. So it means your final answer is 527. And the part B is very simple, okay? It says what? You need to 21 divide by 8. So very simple, okay? So 21 divide by 8. So 8 times 2 is 16. Remainder is 5. Put the decimal here, okay? And 8 times 6 is 48. Remainder is 2. Put the 0, okay? And 8 times 2 is 16, remainder is 4, and 8 times 5 is 40. So it means your answer will be 2.625 because they need the answer in decimal. And the C part, very simple, okay? They are giving you to solve fraction 13 over 6 minus 7 over 12. So what you do, okay, when you're solving the fraction, you must make the denominator same. So what I'm doing, 6 times 2 is 12, 13 times 2 for 26. So 26 over 12 minus 7 over 12. So the answer will be 12. 26 take away is 7, which is 19, okay, and the answer is final. 12 times 1 is 12 and the remainder is 7. So this is very simple and straight questions, okay? You need to use the order of operation and solve these questions. So this is for the CSSE 2019. So if you like my video, please leave your comments and share with your friends and family. And see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.